Welcome to day 6 of the 10-day English shadowing challenge on Speak English with me. Today, we'll practice comparatives and superlatives through natural English sentences. Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence. Let's get started. My brother is taller than me. My brother is taller than me. Today is hotter than yesterday, so I'm drinking more water. Today is hotter than yesterday, so I'm drinking more water. Her English is better than mine. Her English is better than mine. This bag is lighter than my old bag. This bag is lighter than my old bag. The blue car is faster than the red one. The blue car is faster than the red one. My house is closer to school than yours. My house is closer to school than yours. Coffee tastes stronger than tea to me. Coffee tastes stronger than tea to me. This exercise is easier than I expected, so I finished it quickly. This exercise is easier than I expected, so I finished it quickly. She is more confident than last year. She is more confident than last year. The train is cheaper than the plane, so many people prefer to travel by train. The train is cheaper than the plane, so many people prefer to travel by train. My new phone is much better than my old one. My new phone is much better than my old one. This is the tallest building in our town. This is the tallest building in our town. She is the most helpful person in the office. She is the most helpful person in the office. Today is the busiest day of the week. Today is the busiest day of the week. This is the easiest question in the test. This is the easiest question in the test. He is the fastest runner in his class because he trains every day. He is the fastest runner in his class because he trains every day. That was the best meal I had this month. That was the best meal I had this month. It's the most beautiful park in the city. It's the most beautiful park in the city. This is the coldest day of the year. This is the coldest day of the year. She bought the cheapest ticket available online. She bought the cheapest ticket available online. He is the funniest person in our family. He is the funniest person in our family. This lesson is more useful than the previous one. This lesson is more useful than the previous one. The beach is the most relaxing place for me. The beach is the most relaxing place for me. The beach is the most relaxing place for me because I enjoy the fresh air. The beach is the most relaxing place for me because I enjoy the fresh air. Excellent. Keep going. The weather is better today than yesterday. The weather is better today than yesterday. My sister is more organized than me. My sister is more organized than me. This restaurant is more popular than the one nearby. This restaurant is more popular than the one nearby. The city is quieter in the morning. The city is quieter in the morning. Learning English is easier when I practice every day. Learning English is easier when I practice every day. This chair is more comfortable than my old one. This chair is more comfortable than my old one. His new job is better than his old job. His new job is better than his old job. The yellow dress is prettier than the blue one. The yellow dress is prettier than the blue one. Winter is colder than autumn in my country. Winter is colder than autumn in my country. This movie is more exciting than I expected. This movie is more exciting than I expected. She is the most patient teacher in our school. She is the most patient teacher in our school. This is the most interesting book on my shelf. This is the most interesting book on my shelf. The supermarket is closer than the shopping mall. The supermarket is closer than the shopping mall. My laptop is faster than it was last year. My laptop is faster than it was last year. That was the happiest day of my vacation. That was the happiest day of my vacation. The red shirt is cheaper than the black one. The red shirt is cheaper than the black one. This road is wider than the other road. This road is wider than the other road. He is the most hardworking student in the class. He is the most hardworking student in the class. The coffee here is better than the coffee at my office. The coffee here is better than the coffee at my office. This is the most beautiful photo on my phone. This is the most beautiful photo on my phone. Traveling by train is more relaxing than driving. Traveling by train is more relaxing than driving. The park is the most peaceful place for me because it helps me relax. The park is the most peaceful place for me because it helps me relax. This store is much bigger than the one near my house. This store is much bigger than the one near my house. Practicing English every day is the best way to learn faster. Practicing English every day is the best way to learn faster. Excellent! Keep going! Thank you for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Speak English with me. See you in day 7.
Bye.